Hi everyone, my name is Cassie and I'm here live at the Urban Farming Institute in Oakland Park, bringing you our Chef at 11 via Facebook Live since we're all trying to social distance from each other. And actually it's Chef at 11:15 today. So I just want to talk about just a really great recipe. Some of these items were in our CSA share. As always, we love to talk about how great fruits and vegetables are for you, aside from the fact that plants have phytonutrients, which are, essential for plants and what they use kind of as a part of their defense system. And although they're not essential to us, they have great benefits in our body. Another reason why we want to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables is because we just want to ensure we're getting the max amount of nutrients. And, there's a lot of focus right now on supporting our immune health. And so we really want to do everything we can do to make sure that, we're trying to keep in tip-top shape. The CDC does recommend washing your hands. We all know that. Don't touch your face. But also they say good health habits. And within that is the nutrients. So today we're going to talk about a really quick, easy, refreshing mint mojito smoothie that you can make at home. And just so you know, we'll highlight some of the nutrients that are in this smoothie that are great for you. One thing to remember is, when you support your local farmers, not only are you supporting small businesses, but you're getting items that have been picked in the last 48 hours. And so not only do they taste fresh, but they have the max amount of nutrients that you can possibly have. And for whatever reason, if you're unable to get your hands on some fresh produce, frozen is definitely a good alternative for the smoothie. Today, I'm lucky enough to have some spinach that was actually fresh picked just a few hours ago before we started this demo. So spinach is high in vitamin K, but it's also a great source of zinc. And so we do know that zinc is another, mineral that can help support our immune system. So I already have a little bit of water in my blender, and so I'm just going to break off some of the spinach leaves. Sometimes when I, notice towards the end of the week that I'm not going to be able to eat all the greens that I bought, I stick them in my freezer and I use them in times like this when I want to make a smoothie. And that way I'm not wasting my greens. The next thing I am going to choose is some mint right here. So this was also picked from our garden just a little bit before, this Facebook Live demo right now. Mint has long been used as an herbal remedy. And one of the things that's great about mint is that it can help calm stress. And so right now with everything that's going on, I'm sure a lot of us are very stressed. And so just another small little thing that we can do to try to help bring our stress levels down. So you're just going to drop it right into the blender. After that, I have mango. So this is actually frozen mango, but in Florida, we're coming up on the summer. We're going to have tons of mangoes. And mangoes actually have vitamin C as well. So once again, we know vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. Regularly consuming fruits and vegetables that are high in vitamin C not only lower our risk for cancer and cardiovascular disease, but it does support our immune health. Also have some fresh lime juice. And then I like to add a little bit of coconut milk because the coconut milk just makes my smoothie a little bit creamy. Now, what I didn't mention is lime is also part of the citrus family. Definitely has vitamin C in it. And then last but not least, I have some ice just to make it nice and cold. This is really refreshing, to drink, especially now. So I'm going to throw everything in my blender and then just blend it up. And then now I've got this beautiful, nice, vibrant green color. And remember, if you want it a little bit more icy, you can add some more ice. You can throw almost any greens that you want in there as well. So kale would work, chard would work. I'm going to pour it in my glass. Add a little mint sprig on top. And now I've got this delicious, powerful green, full of lovely nutrient smoothies that is great to enjoy, especially on a hot, sunny day like today when maybe we're just hanging out in our backyard because we're staying at home. So don't forget to eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Follow us on Facebook. If you want some more tips on healthy habits, you can tune in for our Act Now series. And I hope you stay healthy, happy, and sane.